Hey guys, today we're making pumpkin bread. These are the ingredients that you'll need. I'll list them in the description below. And we're going to start by making some brown butter. You'll melt your butter on medium heat. It'll start to simmer. And then it's going to start to foam. Once it starts to foam, you'll kind of stir it and you'll see that it's starting to turn brown. You want to take it off the heat immediately so it doesn't burn. And you'll know it's done when it starts to smell and taste like caramel, except without the sugar. And then you're going to sift both of your sugars, throw out the clumps, and then we're going to add the brown butter. And next we'll add the apple butter, and the pumpkin puree, the oil, and the vanilla. Now we're going to add the spices, and then you're just going to mix all that together. Just keep mixing. Add your eggs and mix until everything is thoroughly incorporated. And next you're going to sift in your flour. I'm using a self-rising flour, but if you're using an all-purpose flour, you'll add some baking powder and salt. Just mix until you have all the clumps out, and then you're going to take a loaf pan and grease it and line it with parchment paper. Then you're going to fill it about 3/4 of the way full. Give it a little shake just to make sure everything's kind of leveled out. And then we're going to make a bread cut and bake at 325 degrees for about 60 to 65 minutes. And while it bakes, we're going to make our glaze with powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla. And while the pumpkin bread is still hot out of the oven, that's when you should go ahead and glaze it. You're all done, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.